This is Mel with M&M Service Plumbing with Hair Cutting 20, number 2684, 855 East Belvedere Road in Groose Lake. We are about to camera the line from cleanout and the first install unisex bathroom. So we're gonna camera the line because I've been having a couple issues with the line. Okay, we can see the line right here is a little bit of back pitch, so it has a valley right here, and this is to the left. We have the the toilet where we at, and to the other side we got a back-to-back toilet right here. So we have a double white fitting. And before we start recording, um, we see all the toilet paper was clogging up the line already here. And according to the manager, here is what the problem starts. Most of the time they've been over here rotting up the line. So we're gonna flush the toilet and see when we flush one toilet what happens. Here we flush the toilet right now. You can see that the line gets full because I don't have the proper drainage. So the line gets full right here. I'm gonna flush the other bathroom with a little bit of toilet paper and see what happens. Here we just flushed the other side of the other bathroom. You can see the toilet paper flow away because there was probably a lot of water. But you can see how the water sits in here and stays there and until drains little by little. So every time they flush a toilet, the toilet paper stays in one side right here and eventually builds up the line. So we're gonna keep going forward. Right here we have actually one more double wide fitting. So this is for the floor drains in each bathroom. So we're gonna flush a little bit of water. Here we just running water through the floor, and you can see some of the water come back because the line is a little bit of back pitch, the whole line right here. Okay, we're gonna continue our recording. Here is a little bit of toilet paper right here. You can see how it sits in there and eventually builds up and clogs the line. We can see another connection. We're gonna move it over. There you go. See, toilet paper sits in there and builds up and clogs the line. I'm gonna run. Right here we have another connection. That's the lavatory sinks, one in each side, back to back, for both bathrooms. So I'm running water right now. I'm gonna stop. It keeps going. At this point right here, we can see the water. The line actually makes a drop, goes down right here, and then right away over here has a Y or a T connection right here. We What we have here is another connection, and is the shampoo balls, and there's also a clean out comes from the shampoo balls and a drinking fountain on the store. So I'm gonna run some water in the shampoo ball so we can see flow. Here we running the water in the shampoo balls. You can see the water flowing right here. But appears to be the problem before this point because according to the manager, she tells me every time the line clogs up and somebody comes in, it has to be before this point. So because they never have a problem with the floor drains or the cleanup water coming out of there when the line is clogged. So that makes me think the problem is from this point into the toilets, the double fitting. So we're gonna see if we can see we have a laundry, a utility sink or mop sink, and then a laundry. See if we can run some water there and see which one does it flow. Okay. Now we can see the increase of the water because we run the laundry sink. So we believe the laundry sink goes into together with this connection right here. So we're gonna keep going. Here we just make the turn. You can see the line. We can see the line flowing pretty good at this point. It makes another turn right here, right away. And then it goes straight. You can see right here at this point makes it drop, and we can see like another connection right there. Could be a clean out. They might bury with the when they did the tile. So going down right here, right there, come back. We don't want to go any far in this point because it has a lot of turns. Plus, we have a chance to get it stuck at this point. So we're gonna. This is the main line for the mall. Runs through this point right here, and it's only about 15 feet from the clean out. So it's very is the next door bathroom right there. We already locate this point, but the line after this point it looks in good condition. So everything looks good. And check a couple of stores. They say they never have a problem with the line being clogged. So we're gonna stop our recording and come back. Actually, coming back all the way to the end. It's a little hard to see the main, but you can see we can barely see in the bottom. That's because we've been running water and the store is open and they're using the shampoo balls right now. That's why we have a hard time seeing it. But we're gonna come back. When we turn this point, it has a little hard time going through right here. So that's because the white fitting right there. We're gonna pull out the camera all the way through.